how does it feel? Like,
How does it feel?
how does the feeling of getting adjusted?
That's a great question. It's really hard to describe to someone what an adjustment feels like if they've never had it before. Good. How was that?
Pretty intense, but
Did it feel okay? Like it didn't hurt?
Oh no, yeah, just like.
Please, no. Give us the best descriptor. It's hard to describe.
Yeah,
right?
it's hard to describe.
Exactly.
I
See,
don't want
that's
to
what
say it like it really hurt or anything. It just like.
it was weird.
Yeah.
That's why it can be difficult to
Right,
answer that
yeah.
question. What's it feel like? Right?
Yeah.